When you live in Antarctica, definitely not too early. It is October 24th, I believe. And I'm kind of happy it's winter because my concussion could not handle the summer at all. I was having a lot of issues. Cue in the whole spiel about my channel and where I'm at right now. Got into a car accident, which is how I stumbled upon one meal a day. After the accident, I was binging like a maniac. Couldn't stop eating because I injured like the left side of my body pretty much. Lots of chronic pain. That's my trigger. So I told myself, why not give this OMAD thing a try? And I did. I actually attempted to do an extended fast, but failed. And I found success. I made this transformation with OMAD, and this is my overall weight loss journey. I started my weight loss journey off at 282 pounds, started off with the common sense diet. Then I jumped into keto, found success with keto. On my journey, I find that I find the most success when it comes to weight loss with keto and keto OMAD. However, we are at a different level on my journey right now because I need to build muscle due to my quadricep wasting away after the car accident and me having an injury with my knee. Basically, when you have an injury with your kneecap, your quad kind of turns off. So this is where I'm at. On my channel, I share vlogs, I share tips on how to lose weight, metabolic switch, whether it be keto, fasting, and the whole lot. So if you're interested in any of that, come join the fam. Anyway, I've got some Starbucks coffee waiting for me at home. When it's this time of year, I like to have my coffee French press. We just bought like a bag of beans and they ground it for a French press. So today is a muscle building day. I'm gonna be building muscle today. So let me finish walking this dog here who's very happy that it's winter, and we'll catch up inside. All right, here's my first meal of the day with my French pressed coffee. The best way to have coffee. So good. Here's my French press. I have to get a new one because I discovered that this new one that was sitting in my cupboard because I wasn't drinking coffee for the longest time was cracked. So that's annoying. But I got it for $10 at Winners. Winners is Marshall's, TJ Maxx. So here is my meal. I sorted out the calories for you guys and for myself, really. 550 calories, 23 grams of fat, 25 grams of carbs, and 47 grams of protein. So my meal is these 4 tostadas. This is 120 calories for these tostadas. I call them tostadas, but they're mini toast from Portugal. EU, non-GMO. Shout out to the EU for the non-GMO crap. Well, I shouldn't say crap. A can of tuna from Costco, 2 servings of mayo, so that's 80 calories for the mayo, 2 eggs, and a coffee with some cream in there. Coffee, I think a cup of coffee is like 2 calories. Add the cream. A serving of cream is 30 calories. With some stevia, of course. So that is my pre-workout meal. My new phone is on its way, so I can get back to posting content regularly on Instagram. I can get back to posting YouTube shorts. I want to start doing that again. I kind of took a break from it all with my phone not working. Like, it's semi-working, but like half the LCD screen is not touchable. So I'm so glad I'm getting a new phone. Anyway, I'm going to chow this down, take care of some business, and then we are going to do a good maybe 3-hour workout at the gym because I want to get in cardio today as well. So 2 hours of lifting, 1 hour of cardio. That gym better be empty. Like, it better be empty because I'm gonna have a freaking freak out. It should be, but this stupid car doesn't have its winter tires. Out of my hands. We were supposed to get it this weekend, but someone messed things up as per usual. Honestly, if this was my car, this would have been well protected a long time ago. We're getting our winter tires in November 1st, so hopefully I can manage the roads well. Hopefully it doesn't snow as much. Anyway, I'm starting to get tired, but we're at the gym, so gotta make it happen. Let go. post-workout meal. I've come to the conclusion that I am probably going to have to start meal prepping. It's just easier for me to meal prep, have my meals ready. So I'm having some spaghetti bolognese. I don't know how many calories it is. I'll figure it out and let you guys know afterwards. And these little toasties. Yeah, I need to start meal prepping because I want vegetables with every meal. And yes. Anyway, I'm going to go dive in because I'm starving. All right, hello. Coming in to fill in some gaps. So after I had that meal, I ended up having some sardines with some toasties. I love these sardines. They were sitting in my cupboard for a while. They're different kind of sardines. They're really little. I gotta find it. I'm pretty sure I bought it at Save On Foods, but they were delicious. But that day, I ended up having a total of 1,645 calories, 65 grams of fat, 126 grams of carbs, and 120 grams of protein. Now, my protein intake, I am not very happy with it. It's been on the low side. I really want to get to 171 grams of protein, but I am not going to stress too much about macros because the purpose is how I'm feeling, how I'm looking, are my muscles getting stronger since I am working out every other day. And when I say working out, building muscle. On days I do OMAD, I do cardio, or I have a rest day. And I'm learning with this intense exercise the importance of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are crucial when you are in a process of building muscle. Why? Because it's an easier source of energy and it helps you recover. Now, mind you, ketones are a source of energy, yes, but ketones are best derived in a state where your goal is strictly weight loss. My goal isn't strictly weight loss right now. It is weight loss, but I need to prioritize muscle building as well to help myself recover. Doctor's orders. He wants me working out my lower body and my core as often as I possibly can with 48 hours of recovery. Now, when you do the ketone switch, it's good for weight loss in that your body, instead of using carbs for energy, it uses ketones for energy. And the process of creating ketones is a very metabolically demanding process in that your body will derive energy from fat. That's why it works so well. And ketones causes your brain to turn off hunger cues. It's just great for weight loss. But you got to figure out where you are in your weight loss journey. Are you in a place in your weight loss journey where you're not really active? Are you not really, you have a sedentary lifestyle? Or are you in a place in your weight loss journey where, you want to build muscle? Now, going to the gym and doing the casual gym thing, you can still do it with keto. I did it with keto. I found success with keto. But what I'm doing right now, I can't do it with keto every day unless I'm taking PEDs, which I do not want to take. But there's that vlog. Tomorrow is my first meal prep vlog, so that one will be a long vlog. I'm gonna get to editing it. I'm in love with sweet potato. It's been epic, but I'm gonna try to get my vlogs a little more organized, meaning that I want to show you guys my meals, but I just get exhausted by the end of the night with like life and everything I'm dealing with. But I'm trying to hang in there for myself and for you guys because it really motivates me to inspire other people to find their way through this weight loss thing, because losing weight is a nightmare. And I realize the general public does not have accurate knowledge when it comes to weight loss. And hate to break it to you, calories is number one. You wanna make that work tenfold for you, make the metabolic switch and go into keto or throw in some fasting, especially if you're morbidly obese. Like, it will help you out. But at the end of the day, the best diet for weight loss is a diet that you can stick to. Anyway, if you made it this far into the video, just drop in some sunshine emojis because I'm getting bombarded by the Calgary winter sun, and I am sending you guys my love. Thank you for being here. Take care. Bye.